What if I told you that you can get $50,000 in business funding without showing a single tax return, bank statement, or proof of income? Sounds crazy, right? But this is 100% real, and in the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Even if you have a brand new LLC or your business isn't making money yet, you will still be able to use these methods. And make sure to stay until the end because I'll be revealing which banks you should avoid and how to get funding even if your credit score isn't the best. Let's get into it. What's going on, guys? If you're new here, my name is Sted.Waiters, CEO of Waiters Capital, and to this day, we've helped small and medium-sized businesses secure over $30 million in funding. Before I scaled my business, I personally secured over $160,000 in business credit using some of these same exact banks I'm going to break down for you today. So if you're looking for real proven strategies that actually work, hit that like button and subscribe, and let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is business credit? Business credit is simply just an ability to borrow money that is separate from your personal credit and is used exclusively for business expenses. Think of it like your business's financial reputation, just like your personal credit, but for your company. Now, here's why you want business credit over personal credit. It doesn't report to your personal credit, meaning you can take advantage of high limits without impacting your personal score. You get access to way more money. Most personal credit cards cap you at $20,000 to $30,000, but with business credit, you can stack $50,000, $100,000, even $250,000 in funding. You get reward points you can use for flights, hotels, or cash back. The biggest benefit is 0% interest for up to 18 months. Imagine getting a free loan for your business, flipping that money into more money, and paying 0 interest before the promo period even ends. Now let's clear up some big myths about business credit. Myth number 1, you need to build business credit before getting funding. This is totally false. If you have good personal credit, you can access business funding immediately. You do not need to build business credit first. Myth number 2, you need to be in business for at least 2 years. Nope, many banks will fund a brand new LLC as long as you qualify. So how exactly do you qualify? The easiest way is to have good personal credit, meaning a 700 plus FICO score. Most banks will use your personal credit score to make decisions on if they want to approve you for business credit. If your score is a 700 or higher, you're probably in a good position. But if your score isn't great, stick around because I've got a workaround for you at the end. Now let's get into the best banks and business credit cards to apply for. Number 1, we have the Wells Fargo Signified Business Cash Card. 0% interest for 12 months, unlimited 2% cash back, no annual fee, and they pull experience. Number 2, we have American Express. They have 2 business products that I highly recommend, the Blue Business Plus and the Blue Business Cash. Both are 0% APR for 12 months, and Amex has this Apply with Confidence feature, which basically soft pulls your credit first to let you know upfront if you're approved before actually adding a hard inquiry to your credit report. Sometimes Amex will start you off with low limits, but there's a credit limit increase hack that you can use. Every 91 days, you can request a credit limit increase, and we've seen data points where clients get up to 3 times their limit and credit limit increases on that 91st day, as long as you've been responsible using that card. And last but not least, Amex pulls experience. Next, we're gonna move over to Bank of America Business Credit Card. They have 0% interest options for up to 12 months. You can get up to 2 cards at once for 1 inquiry, and you have better approval odds if you have a checking account with them. Bank of America is really relationship based, and they pull TransUnion for their business credit cards. Now we're going to move on to one of my favorites, which is Chase Business Credit Cards. They have 2 business credit cards that are 0% interest for 12 months. Having a business relationship with Chase significantly improves your odds of being approved. The beauty about business credit cards, the 524 rule with Chase does not apply to business credit cards. If you guys do not know about the 524 rule, Chase has an internal underwriting rule where if you're approved for more than 5 personal cards within the last 24 months, they auto decline you for any more cards when you're applying for them. But this does not apply to business credit cards, so you're in the green if you're applying for business credit cards. Chase typically double pulls from Experian and TransUnion. Now we're going to move over to US Bank. US Bank has multiple business credit cards. The one I like the most is 0% interest for up to 18 months. US Bank's underwriting team is done by Elon Financial. If you're familiar with Elon Financial, there's a lot of smaller regional banks and credit unions that use them as well, and they pull TransUnion. Starting off with US Bank, they may start you with a lower limit, but as you build that relationship with them, the limit can get higher. They're very, very relationship based. So last but not least, we have Truist Business Cards. Truist Bank is a smaller regional bank. It's been about 18 different states. If you don't have a Truist branch in your footprint, there's some workarounds to get into Truist. They have 0% interest cards anywhere from 9 to 12 months, and they typically pull Equifax for their lending decisions. Now, here are some business credit cards you should avoid because they report to your personal credit. Number 1, the Capital One Spark Business Credit Card. Number 2, the Discover It Business Card. And last but not least, TD Bank Business Credit Card. If you don't want business debt shown on your personal credit, stay away from these cards. Now you may be asking, what if my credit isn't the best? I got you. If you're an existing business owner making at least $10,000 per month, even with a 500 credit score, my team at Waiters Capital can still help you secure working capital. Click the link below to see if you qualify. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe for more game on funding, credit, and business growth. Comment below and let me know which bank you're applying for first. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.